Exam season can be daunting, filled with stress and countless hours of studying. The key to success is quality study time, not quantity. Studying smart, not hard, transforms exam prep into a productive experience. This approach emphasizes efficiency and effective strategies. A structured study plan is the cornerstone of smart studying. It guides you through the syllabus, ensuring all essential topics are covered. By adopting a strategic approach, you can improve grades, reduce stress, and free up time. Remember, success is about working smarter, not harder. Let's unlock your academic potential. A well-crafted study plan is more than just a timetable. It's a strategic tool that empowers you to take control of your learning. It provides structure and organization, transforming a potentially overwhelming task into manageable steps. With a clear plan, you can approach your studies with purpose and direction. A study plan helps you allocate your time effectively. By setting realistic goals, you can prioritize tasks and ensure sufficient time for each subject. This prevents last-minute cramming and allows for consistent learning. Moreover, a study plan promotes accountability and reduces stress. Knowing you have a plan can alleviate the feeling of being overwhelmed. The first step in creating an effective study plan is to honestly assess your study needs. This involves taking stock of your current knowledge and understanding of each subject, identifying areas where you excel and areas where you need improvement. This self-assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan to your specific strengths and weaknesses. Begin by reviewing the syllabus for each subject, noting the key topics and concepts that will be covered in the exam. Consider your past performance in each subject, identifying areas where you have traditionally struggled. This will help you pinpoint the topics that require more attention and focus. Next, reflect on your learning style and preferences. Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, or a kinesthetic learner? Understanding your learning style can help you choose study methods that are most effective for you. For example, visual learners might benefit from using diagrams and mind maps, while auditory learners might prefer listening to lectures or recordings. Finally, consider your available study time and resources. Be realistic about how much time you can dedicate to studying each day and week. Also, identify any resources you might need, such as textbooks, online materials, or study groups. This assessment will help you create a study plan that is both achievable and effective. Once you have assessed your study needs, the next step is to set realistic goals. Setting ambitious yet attainable goals is crucial for maintaining motivation and staying on track. Avoid setting overly ambitious goals that are difficult to achieve, as this can lead to discouragement and frustration. Start by breaking down your overall exam preparation into smaller, more manageable goals. Instead of aiming to master the entire syllabus, set specific goals for each study session, such as review Chapter 3 or complete practice questions on topic X. This approach makes your study tasks less daunting and more achievable. When setting goals, use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Ensure your goals are specific and clearly defined, measurable, so you can track your progress. Achievable within your available time and resources, relevant to the exam content, and time-bound with specific deadlines. Finally, regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. As you progress through your studies, you may find that some goals need to be revised or adjusted based on your understanding of the material. This flexibility is essential for ensuring that your study plan remains effective and relevant throughout your exam preparation. Section 5, Step 3, create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule is a crucial step in organizing your exam preparation. A well-structured schedule provides a framework for allocating your study time effectively, ensuring that you cover all essential topics and avoid last-minute cramming. It acts as a roadmap, guiding you through your studies and keeping you on track. Begin by blocking out specific times for studying each day or week. Consider your existing commitments and schedule study sessions during times when you are most alert and focused. Treat these study sessions as appointments and stick to them as much as possible. Next, allocate specific time slots for each subject, based on your assessment of your study needs and the weighting of each subject in the exam. Dedicate more time to subjects that you find challenging or that carry a higher weightage. This ensures that you prioritize your efforts effectively. Furthermore, incorporate breaks into your study schedule. Regular breaks are essential for maintaining concentration and preventing burnout. Take short breaks every hour to stretch, walk around, or simply relax your mind. These breaks can actually enhance your productivity by allowing your brain to process information more effectively. Section 6, that is step 4. Prioritize your subjects. Prioritizing your subjects is essential for maximizing your study time and focusing on the most important areas. Not all subjects are created equal, and some may require more attention than others, depending on their difficulty level and weightage in the exam. Start by identifying the subjects that carry the highest weightage in the exam. These subjects should be given priority in your study schedule, as they will have a greater impact on your overall grade. Allocate more time and effort to mastering these key areas. Next, consider your strengths and weaknesses in each subject. Prioritize subjects where you feel less confident or have traditionally struggled. Devoting extra time to these challenging areas can significantly improve your understanding and boost your overall performance. Furthermore, consider the order in which you study your subjects. Some students prefer to tackle the most challenging subjects first, while others prefer to start with easier subjects to build momentum. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Section 7, Step 5, break down your study material. Breaking down your study material into smaller, manageable chunks is a key strategy for effective learning. Instead of trying to absorb vast amounts of information at once, focus on mastering smaller sections at a time. This approach makes the learning process less daunting and more digestible. Start by dividing each subject into smaller topics or chapters. Then break down each topic further into subtopics or key concepts. This creates a structured framework for your studies, allowing you to focus on specific areas and track your progress. Next, create summaries or outlines for each section. Summarizing information in your own words helps you process and retain the material more effectively. Use keywords, diagrams, and mind maps to visualize connections between concepts and improve understanding. Finally, practice active recall by testing yourself regularly. After studying a section, try to recall the key information without looking at your notes. This strengthens your memory and identifies areas where you need further review. To Section 8, time management and prioritization. Effective time management and prioritization are crucial for maximizing your study efficiency. With a well-structured study plan and a focus on prioritizing tasks, you can make the most of your study time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start by using a planner or calendar to schedule your study sessions. Allocate specific time slots for each subject based on its importance and your individual needs. Treat these study sessions as appointments and stick to them as much as possible. Next, prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on completing the most important and time-sensitive tasks first. Use a to-do list to keep track of your tasks and prioritize them effectively. Furthermore, eliminate distractions during your study sessions. Find a quiet study environment where you can focus without interruptions. Turn off your phone notifications and avoid social media during these dedicated study periods. Finally, take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Short breaks every hour can help you maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Use these breaks to stretch, walk around, or simply relax your mind. Section 9. Staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Staying motivated and avoiding burnout is essential for maintaining a consistent study routine. Exam preparation can be a long and challenging process, and it's important to implement strategies to stay engaged and energized throughout. Start by setting realistic goals and celebrating your achievements. Breaking down your study goals into smaller, manageable steps can make the process less daunting and more rewarding. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way to maintain motivation. Next, find a study buddy or join a study group. Studying with others can provide support, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie. Discussing concepts and sharing study tips can enhance your understanding and motivation. Furthermore, incorporate variety into your study routine. Switching between different study methods and subjects can prevent boredom and maintain your interest. Try using flashcards, mind maps, practice questions, or online resources to keep your study sessions engaging. Finally, prioritize self-care and maintain